prefix to your name. A prefix to your name that describes you on a personal level. It can be your interest, your hobby, or an adjective that you think describes you the best. Alright? I'll give you an example. For example, if your name is Frank, then Football Frank. If your name is Colin, then Creative Colin or Comical Colin. Got it? Do you need a minute or so to think?
Yes.
I'll start with myself, if that makes it easier for you. Superwoman Sonal. Alright, who wants to go next?
Me.
Oh.
I fulfill.
No. Okay, Phil. P. Okay.
Sunblock Steve.
Access
around.
Oh, is that your hobby?
Yes.
Interesting. I've heard this like for the first time ever, but that's interesting.
Peaceful pool.
Okay, let me ask. Does everyone agree? Starting from Frank. He will come into the center and do a move or not a move, whatever you feel like, whatever the music feels like to you. Just be yourself and every single one of you will follow.
Se baila así.
Bhangra step. So Bhangra is a North Indian, also Punjabi folk dance that is pretty much only present in every particular Bollywood movie nowadays, or an Indian wedding thing. It's ought to be there. So you are like safeguarded. So let's get started with standing music. No, that's fine. Okay. So just like steps first and then we'll start the music. If we all could stand straight and tall, shoulders aligned, chest out, a good stance, straight spine, and shoulder width apart. Your legs should be shoulder width apart. Yeah? And now, if you could bend your knees a little, like very tiny bit, like very slight. Because if you stand straight, you can't perform Bhangra. Alright? So if we all could stand like tiny bit. But your stance should be still poised and straight at the back. Now, your left leg, get your knee higher. Higher. And down, higher, and down, higher, and down, higher, and down, higher, and down. The same with the right leg, higher,
At the same time.
and down. No, that will be super difficult. Higher, and down, higher, and down. Now, we'll be back to our neutral positions, and then we will do it left to right, left to right. Alright? One by one. 1, 2, 3, go. Higher, down. Right leg up, down. Left up, down. The twist here is when your knee goes up and when it's comfortable height for you, and when you reach that height, you jump on the other leg. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Jump. Yeah. But like right after it goes to the height, you jump like right away.
Yeah.
Jump. Yeah. Up and jump. Up and jump. The other way. Up and jump. The other way.
Ready for 11.
Up and jump. The other way. All right. It's almost cardio. Okay. Yeah. So this step I call I'm all good step. I have made this step I'm all good. So what are we going to do with our fingers? Like pretty much everyone's got it. Here we go. Now that's our hand position. We will keep it a little apart and twist it. Like curved a little. And then the hands will stay at the same place. And we will now combine the footwork and the handwork. You don't need to move the hands, so don't worry about it. Just focus on the legs. Ready? 1. Okay, how are you standing, guys? Where's your stance? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, jump. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I think you all got it, can't you? Okay, let's hands, leg position. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, was it fun, guys? So, let's do a typical iconic Bollywood dance that you might have seen somewhere, and it's easy as I call it Mr. Bachchan style. Who knows Mr. Bachchan? Amitabh Bachchan?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, he's like god of Bollywood industry. So it's an iconic steps from 70s, and again it's easy and you can do it at any Bollywood wedding, and you will disguise as an Indian. Could we put the left leg in the front? Yeah, and then half a step ahead like this. Back. Ahead, a little.
Ah, yeah.
Back. Left leg ahead, a little ahead. Back, a little ahead. Alright, stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Now your right leg comes in front and the same thing, a little ahead. Right leg, and then a little ahead. Yeah. Now we'll keep moving forward with our left leg and then a little ahead. And then right leg and little ahead.
That's gonna be messy.
Natural positions. Now, how about hands? So suppose, imagine that you are putting your hand over a short people like me, like this, and the other one back the same. You've got a right hand. All right, and now chicken a little. Chicken dance. Right? Chicken dance. So you have to follow this, combine this with your footwork. So let's get started. Left leg in the front and a little. Right leg in the front, a little. Yeah. Alright.
Get off my toe.
So I think you're all tall. So if you could take a little. You're tall in other ways. So just take tiny begin. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can change the hands if you want. 3. Get ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. You stand on your sideways. Yeah. Get your hip out. Okay. It will be easier. It will be easier if you stand. If your right leg is a little bent. Yeah, little bend. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And you can pivot. Out, in, out, in. The hands will stay on your head. And one more time. Out, in. Now the motion gets faster. So, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Out, in, out. So just shake it. Out and in, out and in.
I think we can thank Sonal, big applause. And this is a little present for you.
Oh, you should
Thank
have.
you. Yeah.
Thank you so much. A very happy and prosperous Diwali to everyone. Diwali is for anyone and everyone who thinks negativity should die and positivity should pursue. Yeah? So let's hope this crappiest 2020 goes away soon. And we'll be like the happiest people on earth ever again.